going to talk about adab going to the washroom, going to the toilet. Yeah, adab going to the toilet. So anything that we do according to sunnah, there will be reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It becomes ibadah. Okay. Adab of going to the toilet. Every day we go to toilet. You see, every day the things that we do, when we do according to sunnah, every day we get reward. You know how many times you go to the toilet every day? Right? So Allah is giving so much reward to us without us realizing it. Okay? So adab of toilet, before you go to the toilet, you read the dua. You read the dua before entering the toilet. And then when you go into the toilet, you must use slippers. Entering the toilet, you must use slipper. Okay? You must use slipper. And you must cover your head. This sunnah. To cover your head. You can put a towel, a cloth to cover your head. So wear slippers and put a cloth on your head, cover your head. Now, so you have read the dua before entering the toilet. So you enter the toilet with your left leg. Enter the toilet with your left leg. And then when you leave the toilet, you leave with your right leg. You get out of the toilet with your right leg. You enter with your left leg. In the toilet, you should not sit so long in the toilet. Only do what is necessary and then leave the toilet. Okay? Don't sit in the toilet, take a book and read, take comic and read. Cannot. Or sit in the toilet and try and get ideas in the toilet. No. Ideas from the toilet is not recommended for you to use. So you sit in the toilet. So you finish your work, you go out. And do not enter the toilet when you hear the azan. Because all the shaitan runs into the toilet when they heard the azan. The azan, all the shaitan goes inside the toilet, rushing inside the toilet. So don't go into the toilet when you hear the azan. That's why you want to wash whatever, look at the time. Oh, it's almost Maghrib. Don't go inside the toilet. And then in the toilet, when you are in the toilet, now do not spit inside the bowl where you wash. You know the toilet bowl? The toilet bowl, not the sink. The toilet bowl, where you do all your stuff there, do not spit inside there. Do not spit, because our mouth, we read Quran, we read all the, we read all the zikr, so we don't put our spit inside there. It becomes medicine for the shaitan. Our spit. So don't spit inside the toilet bowl. If you want to do your miswak, you clean your teeth with the miswak, it is sunnah to do the miswak. You do it outside the toilet. You do it outside the toilet. And then after that, you rinse your mouth. Okay? And don't keep your miswak in the toilet. You know what is miswak? Right? The wooden wood that we use to, which is sunnah to use to clean our teeth. And in the toilet, do not face the Qibla. When you sit and wash the toilet, sometimes your toilet, because you bought the house ready-made, the toilet is facing the Qibla. So you got to turn your position. Do not face the Qibla. When you sit inside the toilet, do not face the Qibla. You just move either way. Do not face the Qibla. Do not face opposite the Qibla. It should not be like that. Opposite the Qibla or facing the Qibla when you sit inside the toilet. And it is best for the toilet not to be decorated. Toilets are the home of shaitan. They are not supposed to be decorated. Just as plain, just as simple as it is for the toilet. Now if you go inside the toilet with full adab, and you leave the toilet with full adab, Allah will make you remember. All your knowledge will not leave like that. You will whatever you learn, the knowledge will stay with you. But if you go into the toilet without adab, leaving the toilet without adab, whatever you learn, you will forget. So enter the toilet with the left leg. Follow all the adab when entering the toilet. Okay, so inshallah, if you practice the simple ones, entering with left leg, covering your head, put on the slippers, and then use use as little water as possible in the toilet. If you follow all these adab, inshallah, the simple ones, it becomes easy for you to practice. Yeah. If you are outside the house, if you go outside the house, a place where there's no place for you to wash, make a hijab, cover up yourself. Ask somebody to cover up yourself, and then you can do your whatever you need to do. You can do, but cover yourself when you are outside. Yeah, when you're outside, and then you need water to wash. Unless there's no water in that place, okay, there's no water in that place, then you use. It is actually when you always wash with your left hand. When you go to you use the toilet, always wash with your left hand. Never use your right hand for washing. Always use your left hand. So that is the adab of entering the toilet and leaving the toilet. Okay, inshallah, we'll go to the next one.